Welcome to Wool LVR channel, Ultimate Token Creation Masterclass, from zero to crypto hero in 4 minutes. Attention, this is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Future millionaires, crypto pioneers, and blockchain innovators, this is your moment. Stop watching and start building. In just 4 minutes, you'll go from beginner to token creator, launching your own digital asset on Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Base, and beyond. This isn't just another guide, this is your blueprint to crypto success. Step 1, unlock the secret weapon, remix.eth. Warning, skip this and you'll stay stuck while others profit. Action now, open your browser and go to remix.eth. This is where winning tokens are built, your first step to crypto mastery. Step 2, code your fortune, the smart contract. This is where your token comes to life. Create new file, name it something powerful like wolfcoin.sol. The SOL extension is critical. Paste your contract code. Don't have one? Message me immediately for a proven, ready-to-use template. Stuck? No code? Don't panic, I've got you covered. Step 3, compile like a crypto pro. Click compile, see a green check mark, you're on the right track. Red error, don't waste time, message me and I'll help you fix it fast. Step 4, deploy, the moment of truth. This is where you officially become a token creator. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any compatible wallet. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your choice. Set your token's core details, name, make it memorable, Wolfcoin, Moonfuel, Bullrush. Supply, you decide the total amount. Symbol, keep it short, Wolf, Moon, Beast. Hit deploy and confirm. Done. Your token is now live on the blockchain. Step 5, claim your creation. Add to wallet. Copy your contract address. This is your key. Don't lose it. Open your wallet. Import token. Paste address. See your token appear. Congratulations, you are now a token creator. Bonus: 3 secrets to make your token succeed. Add liquidity. Without it, your token has no value. Build your community. Start a Telegram group today. Real support drives real growth. Get listed. Aim for CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, where serious investors look. Need help? Reach out. I'll guide you. Final warning, don't let your token fail. If you don't act now, you'll miss your chance. Like this guide, help others find it, subscribe for updates. I share advanced strategies regularly. Share with your network, tag those who need to see this. Special bonus, first 100 get a free audit. Message me Wolf Token on Telegram now and I'll audit your contract for free. Time is running out. Your crypto journey starts today. Telegram link in bio. Let's build your future.